In today's video, I turned the famous Disney movie Ratatouille into horror. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into it. So I found this perfect photo of Linguini and Remy, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this layer. And then I'm going to grab the pen tool and I'm going to use it to cut out Remy here. Then I grabbed this picture of a realistic looking brain. It is freaky looking. And I'm going to do the same thing and cut it out with the pen tool. Now that I have the brain all cut out, I'm going to focus on my Linguini layer. I'm going to grab the pen tool again and I'm going to cut Linguini actually out of this layer. Now that I have Linguini all cut out, I'm going to go ahead and fix up the edges here and make them look a little bit neater. Now I just brought my brain back in and I made it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put the layer of Linguini above the brain, grab my eraser tool and slowly start to expose it a little bit. Now that I have it all cut out perfectly how I want it to be, I'm going to grab the spot healing brush tool and clean it up a little bit more to cover it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now that that's done and looks good, I'm going to go ahead and darken up these images a little bit to make them look more eerie. It's all about the little details, like I said in the last video. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the filter and grab the camera raw. And I'm going to lower the exposure a little bit, lower the contrast, make it just look dark and eerie for all of my layers. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab my paintbrush on that nice blood red look. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the size down quite a bit. And I'm going to draw in some lines on the eyes just because I feel like that just makes everything pop. It makes the eyes pop, it makes them look more eerie. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the layer and draw those in here. Next, I'm going to go into my brushes and grab my blood splatter brushes from a couple of videos ago. And I'm going to go ahead and use those to just add some blood splatter all over the brain, all over Remy, all over Linguini. It just adds a nice touch and it gives it that horror feel. Then I found like a tannish background and made sure it was behind everything and put it as the background just because I liked the grayish background it had before. So I liked this one. It made it feel a little eerie and pop. Next, I added in some text and I found this weird creepy cartoonish font that I liked, made sure that it was behind all my layers to give it that 3D look. Went to the blending and I added a drop shadow to all my layers, including the text, just because it gives it that 3D look and makes it more, realistic. Anyways, here's the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.